Today we're going to change numbers from the standard form to word form and from words back to the standard form of numbers. We're also going to practice or review place value. So let's get started. So first, we're going to change this number you see right here to words. If you can read this number right here, then you can pick out the correct words for that particular number. So, break it down into two chunks to read the number. 4,921. We have three choices down here at the bottom for our word names. The first one says 409.21. The second choice says 4921. And the third choice says 4,921. Which one matches what we read aloud when we read this number? If you said choice 3, you're correct. 4,921. Let's try a larger number. Again, break it down into the two chunks. Say 1,000 when you get to the comma. 40,782. 40,782. All right, so let's look at our choices. Choice 1 says 4,782. Choice 2 says 400,782. And choice 3 says 40,782. Which one matches? Choice 1, 2, or 3? Say your answer. If you said choice 3, you are absolutely right. 40,782 is the correct word name. Again, we're going larger, but you're in 3rd grade and you can handle this. So we're going to read the first chunk, say 1,000 when we get to the comma, and read the second chunk. So 257,638. 257,638. Choice 1 says 257,638. Choice 2 says 257,638. And choice 3 says 257,638. Now remember, the words have to match what you read aloud when you were reading the number at the top. Which choice did y'all choose? Say your choice aloud. Is it choice 1, 2, or 3? If you said choice number 2, you are absolutely correct. Nice work, guys. Okay, so not only do we have to be able to go from the standard form like you see up here to the word form like we were picking down here at the bottom, we have to go from the words back to the numbers or standard form. So let's give that a shot as well. Again, I need you to break this down into chunks. Read till you get to the comma and stop. No, really, read till you get to the word 1,000 and stop. Okay? So let's do that. 569, I know when I get to the word 1,000, that's going to be my comma. So I just need to write this first part right here. I need to write 569. 569. That's what I need to write. 569. 1,000 means that I need to put my comma. Then I'm going to write the second chunk. 255. To my hundreds place, 55. I'm going to read back the number I wrote down here at the bottom and make sure it matches my words up here at the top. So, 569. My front part says 569. The back part said 255. And that's exactly what we wrote down here, 255. We're absolutely correct. Good job, guys. Let's try another one. Again, stop when you get to the word 1,000. When you get to that word 1,000, put a comma. Here we go. 60,000. So let's write it. How do you write 60 and then put your comma for 1,000? 60,000. Okay. Well, the first half is already done. So let's do the second portion. 749. 700, so 7 in the hundreds place, 49. 49 is a 4 and a 9. All right, I'm checking back with my words to make sure it matches. 60, well, I've got a 60 right here in front, so I'm good to go. I've got my comma in for my 1,000. I've got 749 should be what should be in the back. So 7 in my hundreds place, 49. We're absolutely correct again, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Write the first chunk, stop when you get to the word 1,000. When you get to that word 1,000, put a comma. So 906,000. 906. How do you write 906? Who knows? If you said 906, you are absolutely correct. All right, we got to get that comma in there for our word 1,000. Next, we need to write 321. How do y'all write 321? What should I write down? 321, a 3 in the hundreds place, and then a 2 and a 1. Good job. 906,321. It matches perfectly. We're good to go. All right. Let's try some place value. I know you worked on place value last week, but it still has to stay fresh in our memory. So let's give it a shot. All right. So we're looking at this number right here. I need somebody to read me that number first of all. Who can read that number? Put your hand in the air. Tell me what you think it is. All right. If you said 532,876, then you read that huge third grade number correctly. Yay! Way to go! But we're looking right here at the underlined digit, which is that 8. We're trying to find the place value of that 8. Who knows the place value of the 8? Say it aloud. If you said hundreds, you're absolutely right. That 8 is in the hundreds place. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's try another one. I need one person to read this next number aloud. Raise your hand if you want to be picked. Let's see who it's going to be. Read the first chunk. Say 1,000 when you get to the comma. And read the second chunk. So we read 134,902. If you said that, you said it correctly. Now, we're looking at the place value of the 3 this time. What is the place value of the underlined 3? Who knows? If you said 10,000s, you are absolutely correct. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. That 3 is in the 10,000s place. Good job, guys. And one last one. Let's try reading that large number first. Read me the first chunk. Say 1,000. And then read me the second chunk. The correct way to read this number is 720,635. All right, I need to identify the place value of my 7 this time. Who knows the place value of my 7? Say it aloud. If you said 100,000s, you are absolutely right. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. That 7 is in the 100,000s place. Awesome job today, guys. Keep it up. Keep rocking this math.